Hey. Caliente. Alright. We hot over here. Look at what we got going on. We piling on that yeah, we doing our thug this over here. You feel me? Yeah, you see how that's all getting blended in like that? Yeah. You see that color? Flagrant. Mhm. Watch the movements. Watch the movements now. Yeah. Yeah, we going in the crevice over there real quick. Make it a little more pigmented. Boom. Look at that. Oh yeah, you see that? Okay, look at that. The brown. We doing that up real nice for you one time, huh? Yeah. Okay. All right. We making some type of brown outer layer movement going on over that purple. Okay. Yeah, you see that? We making it all blend nicely. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Boom, you gotta pat it up a little bit. Make it right. Make it right. You know what I mean? You don't wanna okay, now we're moving on to the yellow. Let's go yellow. Hello yellow. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna blend that in with the brown, the bronze, and we're gonna go above the brown bronze real quick. Uh-huh. We making it a triadic level. Yeah, you like that. Don't be trying to steal my words either. Look at that. Look at how it's all coming together just as smooth. That's buttery right there. Ooh, look at that. You don't want to get up in the eyebrow too much, you know what I mean? Because them eyebrows popping right there. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, okay. We doing it like that. Yeah, get that. Okay, in the crevice right there real quick with the yellow popping. Uh-huh. Okay, we're gonna go with some black now. Ooh, smoky. Smoky. You see it? You see it? Go up on there with the purple a little bit. Yeah, blend it out, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We making it fashionable for you right here. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Blend it real nice. Now, you see the brush done switched up on it. You know what I mean? Make sure you switching up them brushes like so. Like uh. Yeah. Yeah. Look it. Blend. Uh. Blend. Uh. Uh. Yeah. Yeah, it's an art. It's the art. You feel me? Gotta make sure you're doing it right. Like so. Okay. We blending over there towards the nape of the nose and stuff. Yeah. Got that purple getting blended with the smokiness and the yellows and the browns and everything just gonna come together like, ooh, look at that face, girl. You so fine. Now we're gonna get I don't know what this is on her face, but it's some stuff for her face one time, huh? And then you seen how the brush just swished up on you? Yeah, you like that? Yeah, I know y'all know what the deal is over here, huh? Yeah, that's fiery right there. Look at that. Mmm. Butter pecan Trini. Let's go. Okay, I see you. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get some product underneath the eye. You know what I mean? I guess for the baggage. You know how the baggage go. Yeah, y'all know. Not enough sleep. You need to conceal that. That must be a concealer. Yeah, we gonna go with concealer. Yeah, we gonna make that real nice for you one time. Look at that. See that? Yeah. Spread that on like mustard. Yeah. Okay. We getting somewhere. Okay, what is this? Okay, round two of the concealer. A little darker version going on underneath the eye. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely gonna get that up in there. You see that? There's layers to this. This is a movement right here. You know what I mean? You feel me right now? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Now you see how I'm like freaking the brush around in my face, patting it, who the beauty coming through, sealing the deal. Here we go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, yeah. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Do that motion with that brush real quick. Yeah. You gotta powder it up a little bit, conceal it, blend it in, mask it, let it go. Okay. we're gonna go with we're gonna blush it out. We're gonna blush it out, I guess. You know, you blush it on the forehead, blush it on the cheeks, blush it on the nape of the nose. I don't know, but we're gonna definitely get there. You feel me? Yeah. Okay. Now you see I had the double sided she got the double sided brush going on. You feel me? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oops. See? I must know a little something, something, something. She doing it on the cheekbone real quick. I don't know. What is that? Contour? We gonna contour it out, baby. Yeah, yeah. Look at how it go. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Let's go. Okay, it's blending in nicely, you know what I mean? Make sure you move your lips around and make sure you get that contour to a defined unit. You feel me? Oh yeah, we gotta get the crevices of the nostril to make the nose look a little thinner. You know how to do it, girl. Stop acting like you don't know. You know what I mean? I ain't got to tell you. You already know. Yeah, so we're gonna get up under there, you know what I mean? Give it a nice, fine, polished look. You know. Okay. And then we gonna just buff it out. Buff it out. There you go. What you know about that? Yeah, you just do it nice and easy and calm. You know what I mean? Let it flow. Let that big old brush flow over your face. Ah, feel like we at the spa. Then you switch it up. Switch it up to the little brush. You know, define that sparkle, that light, that whatever you want it to be right now. I think it's a highlight tone or something. You know what I mean? To give that little cheekbone a little, oh, okay, okay, Bobby Brown. It's my prerogative. You know, that type stuff. You know. Okay, sexy. I see you, girl. Okay. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.